Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Out here doing a little work in my yard and garden before the heat of the day sets in. Decided I want a couple of potatoes for my breakfast. I kind of wanted to show you guys this. Just because you want a potato or two out of your garden doesn't mean that you have to dig the whole plant up. You can just dig around in the hill that you made earlier in the spring and pull a potato or two out and then close it back up so the plant can keep growing and still put some size onto your potatoes for winter. The ground is kind of the best refrigerator and it doesn't cost anything. So all you do, I got my little garden spade here. I'm going to pick a little spot here and see if I can't find a potato in here. Show you what it kind of looks like. Oh, and right there's one. Let's see if I can find another one here. There's another one down there. See it? Get my little spade underneath it. Pop that out. There's another one. There we go. Brush him off. And I got a couple of potatoes for my breakfast, and I'm just going to cover this all back up and leave these guys in here until this plant gets completely ripe, and then that way you don't have to take the plant out and your potatoes can still grow, the ones that are in there yet. Anyway, just kind of wanted to show you guys this trick. This is Modern Refugee. Appreciate all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys are getting a little information, a little entertainment from my videos. You guys have a good day.